Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: physiology, organic chemistry, and cell biology. This foundation makes biochemistry logical rather than memorization. Once done, run a 2-week diagnostic to pinpoint 3 weak areas and 7 strengths so you know where to spend time. Make sure to gather one reliable textbook, lecture notes, and flashcards, then block 50 to 90 minutes daily for focused study. Use active recall early. It forces connections and prevents passive rereading, so you start with momentum. You now map major pathways. Draw one-page flowcharts for glycolysis, the TCA cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation so you see inputs and outputs at a glance. While you study, link each enzyme to clinical relevance, paired inhibitors or genetic deficiencies, because understanding why matters improves recall. Once you have initial notes, convert facts into flashcards and use spaced repetition at 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days intervals. Mix practice questions and explain concepts aloud to yourself. That reveals gaps quickly. You finish by synthesizing and testing. Do 40 to 60 mixed biochemistry questions weekly, time yourself, then review every mistake until you can explain it. Once done with practice, write a concise 150 to 250 word summary per chapter that emphasizes clinical links and mechanisms, because synthesis locks learning. If you get stuck, teach the topic to a peer or record a 5-minute explanation and listen back. That reveals unclear thinking. Tip: if progress stalls, cut task size in half and rebuild consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.